A very good morning, students. Welcome to Blue Stars. This is your 9th standard biology class. Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 20 Organ System and Animals. I hope you all are active in this class. Just have to remember the previous class. What we have seen in the previous class, we have seen a book back 1 marks, right? I hope you have to remember to that. And today we are going to discuss about the question answer in that lesson. A first thing in a fifth part they are having a differentiate the following. Okay, in a fifth part differentiate the following. In the differentiate the following, a first question is excretion and secretion. They are asking a difference between excretion and secretion, like that they are given a nearly 5 questions. Okay, in that 5 questions, a first one is excretion and secretion. Let me know that meaning of an excretion and secretion. First one, excretion அப்படினா என்ன, secretion அப்படினா என்னன்னா, excretion அப்படினு பார்க்கறச்ச first they are just excrete something. ஏதோ ஒரு waste, ஒரு process நடக்குது, அந்த processல இருந்து ஏதோ ஒரு by product excrete பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So that is the what excretion. And secretion, which mean they are sending out our body. ஓகேவா? secrete பண்ணி send out பண்ணிடும். That is the secretion. அப்போ excretion என்றது ஒரு ப்ராசஸ் மூலமா கிடைக்கிற ஒரு டாக்ஸிக் மெட்டீரியல் எலிமினேட் பண்றதா இருக்கட்டும். ஓகேமா? தட் இஸ் தி வாட் எக்ஸ்கிரீஷன். அண்ட் செக்ரீஷன்னா ரிமூவ் அவுட் அவர் பாடி. அந்த நம்ம பாடியில் அந்த டாக்ஸிக் மெட்டீரியலை ரிமூவ் அவுட் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா? தட் இஸ் தி செக்ரீஷன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் in excretion, just see the answer here. The process of removing of harmful waste product. Would they say process of removing of harmful waste product produced by our body. Just see this for an example. This is the kidney. Imagine this is the kidney, and here they are contain millions of nephrons. They are only a structural and functional unit. Nephron oda major function enadhu? To filtration. Filtration தான் அதோட major function. என்னது filter பண்ணும்? Metabolic wastes filter பண்ணுமா? Filter பண்ணி யூரியாவை தனியா செப்பரேட் பண்ணுமா? And here see this, the process of removing the harmful waste. Urea under the harmful waste. Okay, produced by the body during the process of metabolism. Here removing of metabolic waste in our body. Okay, என்ன பண்ணும்? Filter பண்ணி, and here and temporarily where they are stored? Stored in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder store பண்ணி வச்சுக்குமா? Here this is the process of what? Excretion. இப்போ excretion over ஆயிடுச்சு. And next one பாருப்பா, secretion. The process of sending out the eliminating the unwanted material from the body. The process of sending out. அப்போ இங்க யூரின் என்ன பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க? டெம்பரவரியா ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க. What is the secretion? The process of sending out the or eliminating the unwanted waste material from the body. Temporarily store பண்ணி வச்சிருந்த urethra மூலமா just they are eliminated. Okay, so that's it for an excretion and secretion. I hope you have to understand to that what is the differentiate between excretion and secretion. It's simple thing. Filter பண்ற process வந்து metabolic wastes ஒரு process மூலமா filter பண்றது excretion, அத பாடியில இருந்து eliminate பண்றது secretion. Okay, so that's it for an excretion and secretion. Let me more. Next one here, and next topic is absorption and assimilation. Absorption and assimilation. First thing, absorption அப்படினா to absorb something. ஏதாவது ஒரு food material இருந்து nutrition absorb பண்ணிக்கிறது body. Okay, that is the absorption. And assimilation. Assimilation to distribute that absorbed energy molecule to the entire parts of our body. Digestion அப்போ என்ன பண்ணும்? They are just absorb some nutritions. Nutrition absorb பண்ணும். Assimilation அப்படினா absorb பண்ண nutritions எல்லா செல்ஸுக்கும் ஈவனா டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்றது. Okay, that is the assimilation. We know the differentiate between absorption and assimilation. Here this is the absorption and assimilation. Okay, first thing, see the absorption. Absorption is the process by which nutrition obtained after digestion. Absorption என்றது என்னதான்? ஒரு process. எங்கிறது? nutrition obtained in the digestion. Digestion அப்போ obtain பண்ண nutrition okay circulate throughout the body. என்ன பண்ணுமா? circulate throughout the body. அப்போ throughout the body circulate பண்ணனும்னா எந்த ஒரு part வந்து throughout the bodyக்கு circulate பண்றதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா blood. ஓகேவா blood மட்டும்தான் blood பாது ஓகேவா blood மட்டும்தான் என்ன பண்ணும் throughout the body circulate பண்ணும் ஓகேவா and lymph also if they are not reach any place at the blood reach பண்ண முடியாத இடத்த கூட lymph reach பண்றாங்க இல்லையா அப்போ blood and lymph மூலமா just they are supplied the all parts of our body according to the requirements அதுக்கு எவ்வளவு குவாண்டிட்டியில தேவைப்படுதோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி just they are supplied okay that is the what absorption first just know that what is absorption absorption is process அது ஒரு process digestion அப்போ they are gain some nutrition gain பண்றாங்க அந்த nutrition என்ன பண்றாங்க எல்லா parts of bodyக்கும் send பண்றாங்க இப்போ stomachல இருந்து எல்லா parts of bodyக்கும் send பண்ணனும் அந்த intestine இருந்து எல்லா parts of bodyக்கும் send பண்ணனும்னா they need a circulatory medium இருக்கணும் எல்லா parts of bodyக்கும் போகணும் அப்படி போறவங்க யாரு பார்த்தானாக்கா blood and lymph தான் எல்லா parts of bodyக்கும் போறாங்க ஓகேவா so through the blood and lymph they carry the nutrition and send it all parts of our body அதோடைய ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி இப்போ ஐஸ்க்கு ஒரு 10% ஆஃப் விட்டமின்ஸ் தேவைன்னா அந்த 10% ஆஃப் விட்டமின்ஸை கேரி அவுட் பண்ணி கொண்டு போகும் ஓகேவா ஸோ பேஸ்ட் ஆன் தட் requirements they are sending a nutrition and here assimilation mean incorporation of absorbed food material into tissues and internal homogeneous component here assimilation நம்ம எங்க கொண்டு போறாங்கன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா incorporation of absorbed food material என்ன பண்ணும் ஒவ்வொரு tissues and the tissue-க்கும் cells-க்கும் just they are incorporated ஓகேவா இன்டர்னலா homogeneous component homoனா நம்ம ஒரே சிங்கிள் ஈவனா homogeneous componentல just they are assimilate ஒவ்வொரு டோஸா கொடுக்காம இந்த evenly they are distributed entire parts of a cell and top to bottom எல்லா cells-க்கும் tissues-க்கும் ஈவனா just they are sent okay so that's it for an absorption and assimilation I hope you have to understand to that what is the absorption and assimilation let me move on next one and next one we are having a yes here the next one is ingestion and ejection okay first one ingestion and ejection na enna pa so insert something okay ejection to eliminate something first thing ingestion in it a process of digestion process la they are playing a major role first one பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா the process of this is an ingestion and this is the ejection okay va first ingestion பாருப்பா the process of nutrition being intake of food is called ingestion okay va the process of nutrition ஒரு அந்த process of nutrition எங்க ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது when you take something through the food மூலமா எடுக்கிறது மூலமா they are taking a nutrition gain பண்றோமா so that is in a process of what ingestion and ejection here the ingested food material is thrown out the body inge we are taken a food just here and we are absorb something nutrition and unwanted material is there no that is the ingested food material is thrown out the body okay va ingested food materials and nutrition absorb பண்ணிட்டு and waste food material என்ன பண்ணுது thrown out the body through the anal apertures anus இருக்கு இல்லையா that is the anal aperture na hole okay va anus aperture மூலமா they are just eliminated in the form of fecal matter eliminate பண்ணோம் that is the unwanted matter is known as ejection or diffection சொல்லுவாங்க okay va so that's it for an ingestion and ejection just a simple thing ingestion na when you take something okay va they gain a nutritions and ejection na we are taken already in that process of ingestion process la நம்ம food எடுத்தாச்சு அந்த foodல nutritions absorb பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் waste unwanted waste material என்ன பண்ணும் so they are eliminate as a fecal matter okay va fecal matter bodyல இருந்து eliminate பண்ணும் through the anal aperture anus மூலமா eliminate பண்ணும் okay va so that's it for an ingestion and ejection let me move on next one and next processes here the next question is differentiate between diphyodont and heterodont what is the next question a diphyodont and heterodont di which mean two okay va phyodont which mean a dentation another to study about the teeth இங்கே diphyodont and heterodont ரெண்டுமே teeth தாமா di not two hetero not different okay va if we see that what is the difference between diphyodont and heterodont this is the diphyodont and here this is the heterodont First thing, let me see the diphyodon. In human being, 2 set of teeth are developed in their lifetime is called diphyodon. What they say? In human being, 2 set of teeth are developed in their lifetime. ஒரு human being 2 set of teeth, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth 2 set இருக்கு. பேபியோட growth up to the age of 11 12 முடியுமே they are having a 1 set of teeth. After that, when they are at a maturity, they are having a permanent teeth growth ஆகும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அது ஃபால் ஆகாது இல்லையா. ஒன்ஸ் ஒரு டீத் ஃபால் ஆகி திரும்ப ரீக்ரோ ஆகும். தட் இஸ் தி மில்க் டீத்னு சொல்லுவோம். மில்க் டீத், டெம்பரவரி டீத் அண்ட் பர்மனன்ட் டீத்னு இருக்கு. ஓகேவா. அண்ட் ஹியர் milk teeth are a temporary இருக்கு. ஓகேவா. and here heterodont. Usually human teeth are different type. Incisors, canines, premolar and molar னு 4 sets இருக்கா. so different type of teeth. Here see this. In human being, second set of teeth are called permanent teeth. We already said that what is a diphyodon and heterodont. Diphyodon 2 set இருக்கும். ஒன்று temporary teeth, இன்னொன்று permanent teeth. டெம்பரவரின்றது ஃபால் ஆகும், பெர்மனன்ட்ன்றது ஃபால் ஆகாது. அதான் இங்கே என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, செகண்ட் செட் ஆஃப் டீத் தான் பெர்மனன்ட் டீத் தான். ஓகேவா. அந்த பெர்மனன்ட் டீத் தேர் ஹேவிங் 4 types. That only we say na, incisors, canines, premolar and molar. In this 4 type, according to the structure and function, they are called as a heterodont type of teeth. Okay, and each and every teeth they are having a separate functions. We already discussed in that digestion also. Human digestive system le பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, ஒரு டேபிள் காலம் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. they are having a different structure and function and count also. so that is the what, heterodont. so just easy thing. A diphyodon and heterodont. Diphyodon na 2 set of teeth and heterodont different kinds of teeth are present in the permanent teeth. Okay va. and based on the structural different, based on functional different. Okay va. so that's it for a diphyodon and heterodont. Let me move on next one. And next one is the, and last one is incisors and canines. A difference between incisors and canines. This is all a set of teeth. 2 set of teeth தான் அது. Okay, first one பாருப்பா. Incisors are 4 front teeth. 4 front teeth na எங்கப்பா, first teeth இருக்கும் இல்லையா, here 4 front teeth. they are having a single root and short flat sessile shaped edges. Sessile shaped edges na, this is a sessile shaped edges. they are adapted for biting and cutting. எதுக்கு அடாப்ட் பண்ணிருக்குமா, biting. ஒரு flesh இருந்தா அதை bite பண்ணி just they are cut பண்றதுக்கு adapted to that. okay, that is the incisors. and canines. Canines are 4 in number. Canines and next teeth. இங்க ஒரு teeth இருக்கும், and here they are also in a lower jaw, same like that in upper jaw also they are having a teeth. Yeah, canines are 4 in number, 1 on either side of the incisors. 1 on either side of the incisors. Both side இருக்கு இல்லையா. each upper and lower jaw. We already say that this is a lower jaw na, upper jaw same like that. upper and lower jaw. Canines are long conical shape மாதிரி இருக்கப்பா. this is what, a conical in shape. okay va. conical, long, and canines are specialized for holding and tearing of food. holding and tearing, புடிச்சு கடிச்சு இழுக்கிறது சொல்லுவாங்களே, that is the holding and tearing of food. okay, so that's it for incisors and canines. just simple thing. என்னமா incisors and canines என்றது, this is incisors and canines. canines சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. and first thing, incisors என்றது 4 teeth. upperலயும் இருக்கும், lowerலயும் 4 teeth இருக்கும். ஓகேவா. and here they are adapted for biting and cutting of food. biting க்கு cutting க்கு யூஸ் ஆவாங்க. and next canines பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, they are either side of the incisors. and what is a major function பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, holding and tearing of food. okay, so that's it for a difference between incisors and canines. I hope you have to understand to that what are the difference we have seen in this video. First thing, we have seen excretion and secretion, and next one absorption and assimilation, and next one injection and ejection, and next one a diphyodon and heterodont, and last one is the incisors and canines. okay student, you just write all the things in your classwork note, and this is your homework for how many question answers is that, totally 5 இல்லையா. just write பண்ணி app மூலமா send பண்ணுங்க. okay, and next video we are going to discuss about that a question answer, book back question answer. this is over for that differentiation. It will be more next part in this book back question answer.